my name is Daniel, I'm a member of Leon support team, and today I will show you how to quickly get access to the most important documents in both Leon Crew application and Leon web version. Okay, so if you would like to add some documents, first of all you need to go to the settings, so you need to click on the gear icon which is visible in the upper right corner. Then you need to go to the privileges section, select a particular group of users, and then go to the Manuals tab. And here you will have the possibility to upload the files. When the files has been uploaded, you are able to reach this file by accessing your profile, so click on your name and surname, and the documents will be visible here under the manual list, and also they can be easily reached in the Leon mobile application by clicking on the Manuals icon. This is only one example of connecting our web version with our mobile application. If you would like to know more, please access our YouTube channel or our LinkedIn page.